Before you take another breath, let me tell you something with absolute honesty and urgency. If you are over 60 and you walk every single day but still feel your legs getting weaker, slower, shakier, or less reliable, then what you are about to hear might be the one message that changes the strength of your legs for the rest of your life. Because whether you realize it or not, the future of your mobility, your balance, your independence, and your freedom depends on understanding this one truth. Walking is wonderful, but it does not build leg strength. And if you keep believing that walking alone is enough, you may be unknowingly letting your legs grow weaker with each passing year. And I am telling you this not to scare you, but to empower you. Because the moment you understand this truth, you can take back control of your body, your confidence, and your strength. Think about this deeply. How many times have you walked for 20, 30, even 60 minutes and still struggled to get up from a low chair, or found yourself grabbing the table for support, or felt your legs shake when climbing stairs, or noticed you lose balance for no reason at all? How many times have your thighs felt tired, your knees felt unstable, or your calves felt like they had nothing left to give, even though you are someone who walks more than most people your age? If this sounds familiar, please don't feel discouraged. Feel relieved, because now you finally know why. Walking trains endurance. Walking boosts your heart, improves your mood, burns calories, and makes you feel alive. But walking does not build muscle strength, not in the way your legs need after 60. And this isn't just opinion, this is science. Research from the Journal of Gerontology found that older adults who relied only on walking saw almost no improvement in leg power, while seniors who added even the simplest resistance exercises saw their strength increase dramatically. Harvard Health even reported that one simple movement boosted senior leg strength by over 40% in just 8 weeks, and not one of those improvements came from walking alone. So now, with this clarity and truth on the table, let me speak to that part of you that wants to stay independent at 70, steady at 80, and strong at 90. The part of you that refuses to let weakness decide your future. Because your legs are not getting weak because of your age. They're getting weak because they're not being challenged. Muscles only stay strong when you ask them to work. And after 60, if you don't intentionally strengthen your legs, gravity will slowly win. But here's the beautiful thing. You can reverse that decline, no matter your age, no matter your starting point, no matter how weak you feel today. Even at 70, 80, or 90, your body can still grow stronger because your muscles still listen, still respond, still rebuild. And the exercises that unlock this strength are not complicated, not painful, not heavy, and not risky. They are simple, powerful, and designed exactly for seniors like you. So let me guide you through the 3 moves that hundreds of studies confirm, physical therapists recommend, and seniors all around the world use to keep their legs strong, stable, and capable. Moves that protect you from falls, help you rise from chairs with confidence, climb stairs with ease, stand taller, and move with strength again. The first and most powerful movement is the chair sit to stand, often called the king of all senior leg exercises. And there's a reason it's number 1, because it targets exactly what walking does not. When you sit tall at the edge of your chair, place your feet hip-width apart, lean slightly forward, and slowly stand up, then lower yourself back down with control. You are activating your quads, the muscles on the front of your thighs that help you rise. You are waking up your glutes, the muscles that keep your hips strong. You are strengthening your core, the muscles that stabilize your body. And you are improving your balance, because your body must coordinate all these parts to move smoothly. These are the muscles that help you get up from the toilet, rise from the bed, step out of a car, or push yourself up after kneeling. Harvard Health found that seniors who practiced this movement several times per week gained over 40% leg strength in as little as 8 weeks. That is not a small improvement. That is life-changing. And you don't need a gym, you don't need weights, you don't need equipment, you just need a chair and consistency. In the beginning, use your hands if you need to, because safety comes first. But over time, challenge yourself to stand without using your hands. This simple progression builds strength faster than you think. 2 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, done most days of the week, can transform the strength in your legs more than hours of walking ever will. And here is the deeper truth. Every sit to stand you perform is a message to your muscles saying, I still need you. And the moment your body hears that, it responds. The second exercise, the one most people overlook but desperately need after 60, is the heel raise, the hidden key to stability and one of the strongest predictors of fall prevention. Stand near a chair or countertop for balance. Lift your heels slowly, rise onto the balls of your feet, pause at the top, and then gently lower back down. This simple movement strengthens your calves, which may be the single most important muscle group for balance. Research shows strong calves can reduce fall risk by up to 30%. You see, when you trip, slip, or lose balance, your calves react first. They are the shock absorbers of your body. They help you recover from missteps. They help stabilize your ankles. They help you walk up hills, climb stairs, and prevent sideways wobbling. But walking doesn't train your calves the way heel raises do. Walking only uses a small portion of the calf's full range of motion. But heel raises, they strengthen the entire muscle. Do 10 to 15 repetitions, 2 sets a day, and your stability will improve, your balance will strengthen, and your legs will feel more solid underneath you. Seniors who do this daily often report that their legs feel lighter, more awake, or less shaky, because strong calves give your lower body confidence again. And if your legs have been feeling unstable or vulnerable, this one exercise alone can start changing that. The third exercise, gentle but extremely effective, is the seated leg extension. The perfect movement for weak knees, achy joints, arthritis, or anyone who has avoided strengthening out of fear of pain. Sit tall, extend one leg forward until it is straight, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, and slowly lower it down. This targets your quadriceps, the key muscles responsible for knee support. Clinical rehabilitation studies show that this simple movement improves knee stability far more than walking ever can, because it strengthens the muscles that protect your joints. And after 60, if there is one thing we must protect fiercely, it is our knees. Strong knees mean you can kneel, climb, squat, and move without fear. Weak knees mean hesitation, pain, and dependence. 10 to 12 repetitions per leg, 2 sets, done consistently, build strength in a way that walking alone cannot replicate. And the beauty of this exercise is that it is safe, controlled, and joint-friendly. Even seniors with arthritis, replacements, or chronic knee discomfort can benefit greatly from this movement. So now let's bring this message home with clarity, with power, and with love. Walking is wonderful. Please keep walking. It strengthens your heart, sharpens your mind, and fills your spirit with energy. But hear this truth clearly. Walking alone does not build leg strength. If walking were enough, millions of seniors who walk daily would have powerful legs. But many don't. And now you know why. Because strength requires resistance. Strength requires challenge. Strength requires intentional movement. Your legs are not getting weaker because you are aging. They are getting weaker because they are waiting for you to train them. The moment you start these 3 exercises, chair sit to stands, heel raises, and leg extensions, you will feel something shift inside you. Not just in your muscles, but in your confidence. You will rise from chairs with ease. You will move with stability. You will feel grounded, supported, capable, alive. Your legs, which have carried you through decades of memories, deserve strength. They deserve care. And most importantly, you deserve strength. You deserve independence. You deserve freedom. And the beautiful thing is that this strength is still within your reach, today, tomorrow, and for years to come. No gym, no weights, no fear, just consistency, courage, and the belief that your body can still grow. Start today. Do the first sit to stand. Lift your heels. Extend your leg. Feel your muscles waking up again. Because your future self, the you at 70, at 80, at 90, will look back at this moment and whisper, "Thank you." You are stronger than you think, and your legs are waiting for you to prove it. If this message spoke to your heart and reminded you that your strength is still inside you, then don't leave without taking one small step that changes everything. Tap subscribe, turn on the bell, and join thousands of seniors rebuilding their power every single day here on the Seniors Hub. And if you're starting these exercises today, type, "I'm starting today." in the comments so your future self can look back and see the moment your transformation began. Your journey to stronger legs, better balance, and lifelong independence starts right now. So stay connected, stay inspired, and stay committed to your strength. Your best years of movement are still ahead.